Hi boys and girls, we are going to be practicing our making 10 strategy today. So these are the 10 friends that we've talked about. So we have to decide what two friends make 10. So I'm going to scoot this over and I'm going to make a little chart over on the side of our screen to help us know. Remember, we did this. We go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to put the 10 friends next to each other. So as these numbers get bigger, the next numbers get smaller. You don't have to write this. I'm just writing this to help us while we're solving our problems. So instead of starting with 0, we're going to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, I can look over to this problem and I say, okay, what's 2's 10 friend? What is it? 8. Good. So if I look at my chart, then I look and see, okay, here's 3. What's 3's 10 friend? It's 7. Good. Now I look back and I say, okay, what is 8's 10 friend? 8's 10 friend is 2. Good. Now I have 5 plus something equals 10, and that is what? 5 plus 5. What is 4's 10 friend? 4's 10 friend is 6. Now the next one has 6. What did we just learn? 6 and 4 are 10 friends. What about 1? What is 1's 10 friend? 1's 10 friend is 9. And so this one is a flip-flop fact because look, these are the same, right? So I put a 1 there. What is 0's 10 friend? It's 10. And the last one, what is 7's 10 friend? It's 3. Good, let's take the back. What do we have? Oh, more flip-flop facts. Okay, so let's do our near doubles strategy. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So 4 plus 3 must be 7. And we can just flip-flop these and they're the same. Okay. Now we have 7 and 2. So let's catch 7 and count up 2. Ready? 7. So what's the answer? It's 9. Okay, now we're doing 5 plus 1. So catch 5 and count up 1. 5 is 6. The next one is 6 plus 3. Let's catch 6 and count up 3. Ready? 6 and 9. Good. And the last one is 5 plus 4. So let's do near doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8. So one more is 9. Good job, boys and girls. Make sure your name is at the top and turn it in and start on Dreambox.